In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload or import manual journals in Xero. If you're looking to streamline your accounting process, learning how to efficiently upload manual journals is a must. So, let's dive into this simple and effective way to manage your entries in Xero. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software. You can do this easily by going to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure you've got your login credentials handy, as you'll need to enter your email and password to proceed. After you've entered your information, hit the login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the dashboard. It's the central hub where you can access all the important features of Xero. From the dashboard, click on Accounting, which will give you a drop-down list of various accounting tasks you can perform. Among these options, you'll want to click on Manual Journals. This is where you'll be able to manage all your journal entries. Once you're in the Manual Journal section, look out for the Import option and click on it. This is where you can begin the process of importing your journal data. A handy feature here is the ability to download a journal template provided by Xero. This template is crucial because it ensures that your data is formatted correctly for import. So, go ahead and download this template to get started. With your template downloaded, you're ready to copy your manual journal data into it. Ensure that all your entries align with the format in the template to avoid any import errors. Take your time with this step to double check your data for accuracy. Once your data is in the template and you're confident it's correct, it's time to bring it back into Xero. Navigate back to the import section and prepare to upload your file. If your manual journal file is ready and meets the template requirements, click on the Browse button. This will allow you to select your updated template file from your device. Once you've found the correct file, select it for upload. Finally, to conclude the process, click on Import. This action uploads your data into Xero, populating your manual journals with the new entries you've prepared. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded your manual journals into Xero, streamlining your accounting workflow even further. Thank you for joining me in this fast and straightforward guide to uploading manual journals in Xero. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks to enhance your accounting practices. Have a great day.